Hello everyone, my name is Sagar Kumar, Assistant Professor RPIIT. So today we are going to start our new chapter that name is Front End Development. So in this we are going to start our first topic that is Introduction to Objects. So as you know about the object oriented programming, there are the concepts of classes and objects. So these are the core concept of OOPS concept. So by the definition, an object is a collection of data and methods that operate on the data. Object encapsulation both data and behavior associated with it. So object has three main features: identity, state, and behavior. Identity means a unique identity for the objects, and state means the data stored in the object properties. Third is behavior, action defined by the object's method. For example, a car as an object. Like in this example, state. What is state? State like attributes like brand, color, mileage, etc. And the behavior like actions like start, stop, and drive. Like in this example, we have an object car. So we can create this object car. This object has a state, brand, and color, and the the function start. This is the behavior of that object. So now we can understand this by using code. So this is our JS file. We can link this file with our HTML page. So as I open this in our web browser, this is look like this. So by using inspect, we can open the console. Here our JavaScript code is run. So as you know, JavaScript is run only on the browser. Yes, we can also run this JavaScript in in our computer by using Node.js. But in this we can use this as a browser. So as you know, JavaScript is a language of browser. So now try our example in our code. So you can write, or I just copy this from here. Copy and paste here. Oh, this is already pasted. So we can save this and let's refresh our page. So let's try to find that our car object. So here we get our car object. This is the object. So as you know, this identify as an object. This has a brand, color. These are the state and the start. This is a function that we have. The name is start function. So we can also get the values of that object by using dot operator like dot brand, dot brand. So you get the data value. So this is the basic concept of objects. Objects are the real world identities, like as definition. So why we use objects? So we use objects because they have features like modularity, encapsulation, reusability. Modularity like simplify complex system into smaller components. Encapsulations protect data by binding it with related objects. Reusability like allow creating multiple instances for different. There are various ways to creating objects, as we can discuss this in our mm, next video. But here let us give a look at this. Like we are creating objects by object libraries like this we can done in our example also. Second way is constructor function. Third is ES6 classes. Fourth is object dot create method. All these are the OOPS concept like encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, etc. Types of JavaScript objects. So there are three types of JavaScript object like standard objects, that objects example like array date, like we have the standard objects like array. Let's create an array like a create array AR is equal to 345. So this is also an object, like we can try it by this. So like our object name is array. Okay, this is more for, yeah, this, let's see. This is an array. This is also a type of object. Or we can date, let have date. So here I have given example of date like by date, today's new date, console.log date. Okay. Second is user defined objects like this example which we have done, constructor function is classes. Third in built-in objects. This object facilitates various operations like example like there are strings, hello world, console.log. So like this, like as example like string is equal to age st. No, it does not need to specify the data type. So here let's create a is equal to string. So let's save it and run this in our browser. So here what is our name? A. So A, this is a string. We can also apply, there are various functions of string like as we gave in our example, a string text to dot uppercase, like you can do this as well. A dot x text to lowercase, uppercase, like we can use this to uppercase. Why this is not we can use console.log to print our values like a dot to upper to lowercase or uppercase, we can do anything. What is this? So I think there is any error. So these are the basic concept of objects. Like fourth our prototype objects, host object. Like we can say host objects are the provided by runtime environment. Like I have running this browser, Node.js, etc. For example, browser specific objects like window object, document object. Let's try this console document object. So document document dot title, that which value title to this is our title, document time title, etc. So these are the basic concept of our objects. So thank you, thank you, we can meet in our next video.